Hello, I want to show to us how we can carry out independent sample t-test using Excel. How can we perform analysis on independent sample t-test? So using Excel, I will show it to us. And our data is on Excel. Data is on Excel. This is it. The aim of this is to compare the mean of A with B. So the null hypothesis is that mean A is equal to mean B. Just like the way I did it here. See, the Asian rule rejects each not if P value is less than alpha value. So mean A, in this case, we have just two groups. So we assume mean A is equal to mean B. This is null hypothesis. And the alternative hypothesis, each one is means are different. So now we can carry this one out. You also go to under data. Go to data on the main menu. Click on it. You have data analysis. Then this is pair t-test. We use pair t-test when you have a population divided into two. They are the same population. But in this case, you have different samples taken from different places. They are independent. So, but we assume that you have equal variances. I'm picking this now. This must be filled. Variable 1 range. Just click on it. Variable 1 range. Click on it. Variable 2 range. Same thing. So we check the label. Where do you want the results? I want results by the side of the data. You can see it here. Then you look at it. These are the results. So the t-star, you can see the score, the mean score from A, mean score from B. These are the variances, these are the observations, pool variance, hypothesis mean. This hypothesized mean difference 0. What it means is that by the time we remove the value of the mean of A from that of B or vice versa, it must give us 0. That's our hypothesis. Then the period of return is 46. The calculated t-stat is this. So if it's one tail, the p-value will be this. If it's two tail, we are dealing with two tail. So we are having 0.1774. We're going to repeat this in SPSS. And all we need to do is just go to SPSS. We need to copy the results. The data. You can copy the data using ordinary copy. And you paste, right click, pick, paste with variable names. But we cannot analyze the trace like this here. So what we need to do is it has to be on the same, just like analysis of variance. It must be, let's cut in the same column. So you have 24 observation for each group. So we're making 48 now. You can see. So we can change this variable name scores to scores. Scores. The other one will be class. So scores, just like an analysis of variance. But the reason we are using t-test because they are just two groups. Class. So we come to value 1 will be class A. Add 2 will be class B. We add it. Okay, then go back to it. Now, class A contain 24 students. 1 to 24. 24. So, we now go to class B. 2 to 48, making 24 observation also. 24 students. So, one can reveal that by clicking on this. You can see. Now, we're going to analyze. Don't forget we want to compare means of two groups using independent sample t-test. Can you see this one sample, this independent sample t-test? Click on this. So the test variable is our score, like independent. The grouping variable will be class. You have two groups. So the options, okay. Now define group. We need to define the groups. You can see it's already there. We have two groups there. We have defined group 1 to be, that is class A, to be 1. Group 2 to be 2 here. So we continue. Then you okay it. You can see the results. If you want to compare the results we obtain from that of Excel, you can see 41.416, 122 as variance, 45.6. You can see the same thing. Class A 41.416, 45.6. So these are this. If you want to get the variance from this, you just square this. Then the test, 11 test for equality of variance. That the independent that SPSS is giving us, Excel cannot give us unless we write some code for it. Now, test for equality of means, t-test for equality of means is what we are looking for. You can see the p-value, overall p-value here is 0.177. So let's go and check it here to know what I'm going to decide on. You can see the same thing. So in this case, we do not reject our H naughts because the p-value is greater than the level of significance, which is 0.05. In this case, we do not reject H naught. So, and there's no significant difference in the mean scores across the two groups. Thank you.